Hello, my name is Tony DePrince. I'm the Manager of District Operations here at Camden County Technical Schools. I'm so excited to be standing on what's going to be our brand new chemistry lab as part of a 20,000 square foot addition here at the Gloucester Township campus to start a new career program in manufacturing engineering technology. This new addition on Building 6 here at the Gloucester Township campus is costing over $8 million. The program will meet the needs of the 21st century workforce here in the Camden County region. This facility will have 2 state-of-the-art career program areas to teach hands-on skills in the area of manufacturing. Students from this program will come out knowing skills such as machining, welding, computerized electrical technology, programmable logic controls, and many other skills that are needed in the manufacturing sector. Funding for this facility has come from the New Jersey Securing Our Children's Future Bond Act, which was passed by New Jersey voters several years ago to invest in vocational and technical education throughout the state. Almost 25% of that funding has come from the taxpayers of Camden County through the efforts of the Camden County Board of Commissioners. I'm standing right now in what will be the hub of the manufacturing engineering technology career areas. Here is a classroom which will be a computer lab and a design lab where students will learn all the technical skills they need to know to design and program an assembly line in a manufacturing facility. This classroom area, this hub, actually connects the 2 career program areas, the 2 larger career program areas. To my right is going to be the machine shop, or large program area, where all the dirty, hands-on skills and high-tech skills will be learned. To my left is going to be a clean room, or a pilot plant, where students and teachers will build assembly lines to try them out before actually going into the workforce. One of the most important aspects of starting any new career program in a vocational technical school is its linkage to the needs of the workforce. This is no different. The manufacturing engineering technology program is a huge demand labor sector in our area. One of the things that we're going to highlight as part of this new program is our relationship with local businesses and associations. Due to that fact, we actually are constructing a large group instruction room that will have tiered seating in this space where I'm talking right now to bring business partners in, associations in, guest speakers, and even host mini conferences here in this facility. Where I'm walking now is actually going to be the main hallway for the addition. As you walk down the hallway, you'll be able to access 3 new academic classrooms, the science lab, as well as the career program areas. We are so excited here at Camden County Technical Schools about this project. The project timeline is going to have the building completed by December of 2023 and opening for the school year beginning in September 2024 with our new students coming and occupying this space. As we move throughout the projects, we'll be giving updates via video and on our website and keeping everybody in touch of what's going on.